Altair OptiStruct is a modern structural analysis solver for linear and nonlinear problems under static and dynamic loadings. OptiStruct is the market-leading solution for structural design and optimization. Many Altair customers worldwide utilize OptiStruct to analyze and optimize structures for their strength, durability, and noise, vibration, and harshness characteristics. Based on finite element and multi-body dynamics technology, and through advanced analysis and optimization algorithms, OptiStruct helps designers and engineers to rapidly develop innovative, lightweight, and structurally efficient designs. OptiStruct's solution algorithms for linear, nonlinear, and modal analysis problems are highly efficient in comparison to traditional solvers. It is highly compatible with Nastran, making it an ideal, cost-effective Nastran replacement. Some of the standard features of OptiStruct include a built-in large-scale eigenvalue solver, an advanced NVH analysis solution, and a complete powertrain durability analysis solver. AMSIS, the automated multi-level substructuring eigensolver, can calculate thousands of modes for models with millions of degrees of freedom in less than 1 hour. The NVH analysis solver is designed for the most efficient and effective full vehicle noise and vibration analysis. Full powertrain durability analysis can be easily and accurately performed with the robust durability analysis solver. Using highly advanced optimization algorithms, OptiStruct can solve the most complex optimization problems with thousands of design variables in an extremely short period of time. OptiStruct's optimization engine allows for users to combine topology, topography, and size and shape optimization methods to create better and more alternative design proposals, leading to structurally sound and lightweight design. The seamless integration of gradient-based optimization methods make multidisciplinary size and shape optimization easy to use, robust, and remarkably fast. If composite materials are part of the equation, OptiStruct can help designers and analysts to streamline the product design process. The ply-based approach simplifies the interpretation of the concept design results from free size optimization. Based on the optimization results, product engineers can then make part modification proposals in order to meet stress, weight, and stiffness requirements. Altair OptiStruct, optimization-enabled structural analysis.